Hi friends, welcome to our channel Batna Yugam. Today we have to see about important days in the year for the month of February. For going to our video, please subscribe our channel and get more videos immediately. February 1, it is celebrated as the Surajkund Crafts Mela and Indian Coast Guard Day. It is a celebration of Indian folk traditions and cultural heritage. Surajkund International Crafts Mela is also celebrated from 2nd February onwards. In this Mela, richness and diversity of handicrafts, handlooms and cultural fabric of India are seen. This Mela is organized by the Surajkund Mela Authority and Haryana Tourism in collaboration with Union Ministries of Tourism, Textiles, Cultures and External Affairs. On 1st February, the Indian Coast Guard Day celebrates its foundation day. The interim Indian Coast Guard was established on 1st February 1977 to prevent seaborne smuggling of goods which were hampering India's domestic economy. On 18th August 1978, Parliament of India passed the Coast Guard Act which came into immediate effect. Indian Coast Guard is an armed force of India which protects maritime interests, enforces maritime law with the jurisdiction over the territorial waters of India. February 2, it was celebrated as the World Wetlands Day and International Development Week. This day marks the date of adoption of the Convention on Wetlands on 2nd February 1971 in Ramsar, Iran. It was first celebrated in 1997. World Wetlands Day of 2020 theme is Wetlands and Biodiversity. International Development Week is celebrated from 2 to 8th February and this year marks the 30th anniversary of International Development Week in Canada. This day informs about different roles and career paths in the international development sector. February 4, it is celebrated as the World Cancer Day and National Day of Sri Lanka. Every year, 4th February, World Cancer Day is observed globally and celebrated by WHO to aware the people of the disease cancer and how to cure it. 2020 theme is I am and I will. According to WHO, the theme is an empowering call to action, urging for personal commitment and represent the power of individual action taken now to impact the future. On 4th February every year, Sri Lanka's National Day is celebrated as Independence Day. Sri Lanka got freedom from British rule on 4th February 1948. February 6, it is celebrated as the International Day of Zero Tolerance for Female Genital Mutilation. International Day of Zero Tolerance for Female Genital Mutilation is observed on 6th February to spread awareness and educate people about the consequences and problems that females faced due to genital mutilation. The theme for 2020 is Unleashing Youth Power, 1 decade of accelerating actions for zero female genital mutilation. February 12, it is celebrated as the Darwin Day and Abraham Lincoln's birthday. This day is observed to commemorate the birth anniversary of the father of evolutionary biology, Charles Darwin, in 1809. This day highlights Darwin's contribution to evolutionary and plant science. In 2015, Darwin's Origin of Species was voted the most influential academic book in history. 12th February is celebrated as the birthday of the most popular presidents in the United States history, namely Abraham Lincoln. February 13, it is celebrated as the Sarojini Naidu birth anniversary and World Radio Day. 13th February is celebrated as the birth anniversary of the Nightingale of India, that is Sarojini Naidu. She was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad to scientist and philosopher Agarnath Chattopadhyaya and Bharata Sundari Devi. She was the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress and also the first women governor of an Indian state, that is governor of United Province, which now known as Uttar Pradesh. World Radio is celebrated on 13th February to raise the awareness about the importance of radio. In several countries, it is the primary source for providing information. The theme of the World Radio Day 2020 is Radio and Diversity. February 14. It is celebrated as the Saint Valentine's Day. On 14th February every year, Valentine's Day or the Feast of Saint Valentine's is observed. Valentine's Day named after a Catholic priest named Saint Valentine who lived in Rome in the 3rd century. February 18 to 27. It is observed as Taj Mahotsav. On 18th February every year, Taj Mahotsav or Taj Festival is celebrated at Agra that reveals the rich cultural heritage of our country. This festival in 2020 will begins from 18th February and lasts till 27th February 2020. No doubt, the Taj Mahal represents the magnificence of the Mughal era and displays the finest specimens of the Indian craftsmanship. February 20. It is celebrated as the Arunachal Pradesh Foundation Day and World Day of Social Justice. Arunachal Pradesh Foundation Day is celebrated on 20th February. As on this day, it gained the status of the Union Territory and named Arunachal Pradesh. World Day of Social Justice is observed every year on 20 February to encourage people to see how social justice affects poverty eradication. The main aim of the days is to achieve full employment and support for social integration. This day tackles issues like exclusions and unemployment. February 21. It is celebrated as the International Mother Language Day. International Mother Language Day is celebrated annually on 21st February worldwide to aware of the diversity of the language and its variety. This day promotes the awareness of the language and cultural diversity across the world. On 17 November 1999, it was first announced by UNESCO. February 22. It is celebrated as the World Scout Day. 22nd February every year, World Scout Day is celebrated and millions of scouts from around the world gather at local, national and international levels to celebrate the Founders Day. This day marks with the birthday of Lord Baden-Powell, the pioneer of the Scouting. February 24. It is celebrated as the Central Excise Day. Central Excise Day is observed in India on 24th February every year to encourage the employees of the Excise Department to carry out the Central Excise Duty in a better way to prevent corruption in manufacturing business and to carry out best possible excise services in India. February 28. It is celebrated as the National Science Day. The National Science Day is celebrated every year in India on 28th February to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by the Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. He discovered the Raman effect on 28th February 1928 and for this discovery he was honored by the Nobel Prize in Physics subjects in 1930. Thanks for watching our video and share your valuable time with us. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Batma Yugam. Thank you.